My name is Carlos. I work at Universal Cycles in Cedar City, California, and today I'm going to show you how to install cleats on a mountain bike shoe. First thing you do is you need your shoes and you need your cleats. Some shoes come with the inside plate on the shoe and some shoes don't. This shoe does not, so the plate comes with the shoes. So you have to take your plate, you have to take your insole out of the shoe, and you drop the plate on the inside of the shoe, and there's a little square in there where it just fits neatly in. So next thing you would do is you would take your cleats, align the bolts with the plate on the inside. Most cleats require a 4mm Allen to tighten, and that's what these are. So you would just start tightening. And as far as the position, most people, it works best if you go center and not straight forward, but tilted a little towards the bend of the shoe. And once you're in that position, you would proceed to just tighten until it's tight enough that the cleat itself will not turn. And you're set. So, my name was Carlos, and I just showed you how to install cleats on a mountain bike shoe.